Good morning, children. Next, before class, we have to learn properties of integers under addition, properties of integers under multiplication. Now we have to learn this class properties of integers under subtraction. First property is closure property. First property, which property, children? Closure property. Closure property. A comma B are integers. A minus B is also a integer. A comma B are integers. A minus B is also a integer. See here, A value is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Minus 7 plus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 5. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. This is an integer or not? Yes. This is minus 5 is a integer. 2 is a integer. This property is satisfied under subtraction. Closure property is satisfied under subtraction. Okay, are you understood, children? Next property is commutative property. What is the commutative general form of commutative property? Say, children, anybody? A into B. The A minus B is equal to B minus A. A into B is equal to B into A. That is in a multiplication. Now, commutative property in subtraction. A minus B is equal to B minus A. A minus B is equal to B minus A. It is satisfied or not? We will see some examples. Are you understood, children? Commutative property under subtraction. A minus B is equal to B minus A. Now, A value is taken. A value is 7. B value is 10. 7 minus 10. 10 minus 7. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. 10 minus 7, 3. Here bigger number have which sign? Minus. Minus 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Now next one. A value is 15. B value is 8. 15 minus 8. 8 minus 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to how much? 7. 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. Both are same? No. LHS is equal to RHS? No. Here LHS is equal to RHS? No. This property is not satisfied under subtraction. Which property is this, children? Commutative property is not satisfied under subtraction. Which property is satisfied? Closure property only satisfied. In subtraction, remaining properties also not satisfied. Associative property is not satisfied. Commutative property is not satisfied. Only which property is satisfied in subtraction? Closure property is satisfied in subtraction. Are you understood, children? Addition, all properties are satisfied. Multiplication, all properties are satisfied. Here, in this subtraction, which property is satisfied? Closure property is satisfied. Commutative property is satisfied? No, this is not. This property is not satisfied under subtraction. Associative property is also not satisfied. Now we will see under subtraction properties of integers. Under division, we have to see that. Division. See, children, in subtraction, which property is satisfied? Closure property, one property only satisfied. Commutative property is not satisfied. Now, division, we have to learn properties of integers under division. Under division. Here, first property is closure property. First property is closure property. Properties of integers under division. First property is what, children? Closure property. 8 minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to how much? Minus 8 by minus 4. Minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. This 2. 2 is an integer? Yes. 2 is an integer. Now, we will see one more example here. Minus 4 divided by minus 8. Minus 4 by minus 8. Minus minus plus, minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is an integer? No. This is not an integer. This is not an integer. This is an integer. Here in division, closure property is not satisfied. Remaining properties also not satisfied. In subtraction, only one property satisfied. In division, any property is not satisfied. Okay children, now here any number divided by 0. For example, 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to, here 1 by 0. Here any number divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 is equal to infinity. What is that? Infinity or undefined. What is that? Undefined. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by means 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Okay children? 1 divided by 0 is equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Here, these two sums only you have to see that. In a division, any property is not satisfied. Here, properties of integers under division, any property are not satisfied. In addition, all properties are satisfied. Multiplication, all properties are satisfied. Subtraction, only closure property only satisfied. In division, any property not satisfied. Okay, children, have you understood these all properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions? Exercise 6. We will see now 5. Exercise 6. Exercise 6 only blanks. Exercise 6 open children. Page number 22. Fill in the following blanks. First blank. Minus 25 divided by dash is equal to 25. Second sum. Dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 49. Third one. 50 divided by 0 is equal to dash. Fourth one, 0 divided by 1 is equal to dash. See here this exercise 6 under the minus 25 divided by dash is equal to 25. Here minus 25 divided by dash is equal to 25. Minus 25, which number we are dividing means we are getting 25. Minus 1. What is the children answer? Minus 1. 25 minus 25 divided by dash question mark is equal to 25. How much children here answer? Minus 1. Next dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 49. How much children? Minus 49. Minus 49 divided by 1 is equal to how much? Minus 49. 50 divided by 0. Now only I said that any number divided by 0 is equal to undefined. Any number divided by 0 is equal to undefined. Any number divided by 0 is equal to undefined. 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Once again listen this all. Minus 25 divided by dash is equal to 25. 25 minus 25 divided by this, we don't know this answer. The answer is 25. Which number we are writing means that answer is 25 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. Dash divided by 1 is equal to minus 49. What is the here? 1. Here 1 to divide means which number? Minus 49 divided by 1 is equal to how much? Minus 49. 50 divided by 0 is equal to undefined. Any number divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 is equal to undefined. 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. Now we will see that exercise 7 some sums. Exercise 7 is very most important. Exercise 7. Here I am reading the question. You will see the textbooks, page number 23, exercise 7, page number 23, first sum. Page number 23. Here Hema, Bharati, 2 members are there here. See children, in a class test containing 15 questions, every correct answer they are giving 4 marks. Every correct answer they are giving 4 marks. Every incorrect answer they are giving minus 1 mark, minus 2 marks. Here Bharati attempted all questions, but only 9 questions are correct. How many are correct? 9 questions are correct. Here remaining are incorrect. What is her total score? One of the friends, Hema, attempts only 5 questions. All are correct. What will be her total score? See children, Bharati attempts all questions. Marks are given for every correct answer. How many children? 4 marks. Here in exercise 4 I said that Gopi, Reshma, Rashmi same sum like this only, but the numbers are changed. Marks are given for every correct answer. First sum solution. Marks are given for every correct answer. How many children? 4 marks. Marks are given for every incorrect answer. How many children? -2. Okay, here Bharati attempted all questions, but she got, what is the score here? No, 9 answers are correct. What is her total score? Here Bharati is attempted all questions. Bharati is attempted all questions, but only 9 questions only correct. 9 questions only correct. How many she is attempted? Bharati attempted how many questions? 9 questions. Bharati attempted all questions. Bharati. See here, how many correct answers? 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers means 9 fours are 36. She is attempted all questions in the sum set. In the question here, how many are in total? How many questions? 15 questions. 15 inside she told, she gave how many 9 correct answers? 9. 15 minus 9 is equal to how much? 6. 6 incorrect answers. How many are incorrect? 6 incorrect. 6 incorrect answers. 6 into -2. 6 into -2 is equal to how much, children? Minus 6 2s are 12. Minus 12. Bharati's score. Bharati's score. Bharati's score. See Bharati's score. 36 minus 26 is equal to how much? 24. Are you appearing the board? I am writing once again here. Listen children. Bharati is attempted 9 questions, but 6 questions are incorrect. She is attempted all questions. 9 correct answers. 9 fours are 36. How many correct answers? 9 correct answers. 9 fours are 36. How many incorrect answers? 6 incorrect answers. 6 twos are 12. Minus 12. 36 minus 12, 24. Here, Hema. Hema is attempted all 5 questions. That 5 questions are correct. 5 correct answers. 5 correct answers. 5 correct answers is equal to how much? 5 fours are 20. Here she is not attempted all questions. Only she is attempted 5 questions. That 5 are correct. Here what is the answer? 20. Bharati's score is 24. Hema's score is 20. Remaining 4 sums we will learn in the next class.